guys, so today I am going to be doing Elaine from The Love Witch, played by the beautiful Samantha Robinson. Her beautiful blue makeup. I really loved the mod look they did on her. The movie The Love Witch came out in 2016 and I really haven't seen that much about it, so I was like, okay, I need to really make a tutorial for this, especially because it's like spooky season. This is something really easy to do if you're not into costumes. I work full-time, guys. I have not had time to create like any type of costume looks. We still have like a week and a half, maybe, just maybe, I will have time to create something, you know, just for good old time's sake. But yeah, let's get straight onto it. I already have my base on. I have baking powder underneath. This is going to be just a very straightforward look, pretty easy. I do combine two palettes. Sorry if that confuses you, but I don't have like all of these colors in one palette. So let's zoom in. So what I'm going to use first is, I've been using this palette a lot actually. And this is the Aladdin palette by Revolution Cosmetics, Revolution Beauty. And I actually go ahead and use this color right here called Jasmine. And I kind of just make this the base color. That way you don't start too quickly, too heavy, because then it's going to be too hard to mess up. So try to start with a lighter shade. A nice frosty blue shade for this look will work great, especially as the base, because she kind of has like a shimmering blue eye. And you are also going to want to take Gazim right here to kind of be a transition and brow shade, as well with Aladdin. Those are just two white beige-ish eyeshadows. And this will help kind of separate the blue. Then make sure you touch up that jasmine color or any ice blue that you're using. Now I'm going to take the color Genie and kind of mix those two. That's what gets the overall color that you see on my right eye. So I am being totally honest with you. You don't need two palettes. You can just use this palette and get away with it. But I have a really hard time blending shimmers, so I am going to be using the I'll Be There For You palette by Peachy Queen Cosmetics, only to get a matte shade of that Aladdin shade. So I'm just taking this color right here, and it is called How You Doing. And I am just going to kind of blend that into right here because I have a very, very hard time blending shimmers. So that is the only reason I do that. But you can completely skip this step. The Revolution palette has all the colors for this look, and also this color kind of makes it a little like green, so just be very careful. We want to make sure that that color is blue. That's literally all I do, and I'm just gonna go back and stop using that palette and just make sure you keep touching up that eye, because with all that blending we lose that blue and it looks more like dark. So Genie and Jasmine make the perfect combination, and you can use your fingers for this entire look. Honestly, I'm barely using brushes. Pretty, huh? So of course I am just going to take the Gazim color and kind of blend the two together. So I'm just wiping off the bake. And now what we're gonna wanna do is create those like mod eyes. So what we're gonna do is take a liquid eyeliner. I'm just using my Wonder ink and then my Method Beauty stamp, just so I can get like precision, but you want to kind of bring it in a circular shape, like so. I'll show you right now. Okay, so that's just kind of my outline, and I'm going to just fill it all in. So now what I'm gonna do is take a white eyeliner. Mine should be completely filled with white. And then I am taking a black liquid eyeliner and precisely rimming underneath. So be very careful because liquid eyeliner is not very forgiving. If you're not good at this, I'm not saying you're not good at it, but if you have trouble with this, try using a really tiny brush and some black eyeshadow instead. After using the steadiest hand you could ever possibly have, I am just using this raw mascara. It's from Yes Style Beauty, and it has it's a very tiny brush, so it separates the lashes really nice for this mod look. Alright, so we're basically almost done with eyes, but this look would not be complete without eyelashes, and I'm so excited to talk to you guys about this lash brand right here, which is Pinkzio lashes. Now, these eyelashes are mink lashes, and they're just very high quality eyelashes that blend really well with your natural eyelashes. They stick like a dream. I already wore one pair the other day to the zoo. I know, eyelashes to the zoo can be a little glamorous sometimes. Oh my god, they were just gorgeous. And it was this pair right here. This is called A Game. This is how it looks like. For this particular look, I have like 3 different styles. So I have A Game, I have Lushy Luscious, which looks like this, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to use Lushy Luscious because it has that doll-like type of look, and it also just these right here are nice. This is called Glamour, but I feel like they look too thin for this particular look. And another really cool thing about Pinkzio lashes is that not only do they have really gorgeous eyelashes, some of the best I've ever used in my life, but they also have an at-home eyelash perming kit, and it looks like this. So a professional lash lift kit. And everything that is inside is, let me open it up for you guys. And then everything that is included in here is, I gotta make sure I'm in the camera, 3 perm solutions, 2 moisture lotions, 3 silicone pads, 3 setting lotions, 2 cleanser lotions, and 3 white rods. So I am probably going to be doing my eyelash perming like in a separate vlog, so stay tuned for that. For now, I'm just gonna focus on their eyelashes, their falsies, because I don't know, I just need to really I need to have a day where I just do this for myself because I've always wanted to lift my eyelashes at home. I don't want to go to a salon. You know how it is nowadays, everything is so overpriced. Okay, so I settled on Lushy Luscious lashes. So what I'm going to do is take them out, obviously, and then put glue on them, let it air dry until it's tacky. Like, so these look like they're gonna be a little long, so I'm gonna trim them. Hey guys, I put a wig cap on because I'm thinking of popping on a brunette wig. But let's put these lashes on so you can see how beautiful they are. So the lash glue has become tacky, so I'm just going to place these on. Now the other lash. And it also came, this Pinkzio has eyelash glue and it's super fancy and it works amazing. Like, doesn't have a weird smell, so I love that. I'm gonna let the lashes sit a little bit, then I will coat them with some mascara. So let's move on to the face. She wears a lot of pink blush, so we are going to do that. In the Aladdin palette, there are these 2 colors, Diamond in the Rough and Totally Cosmic. We're gonna mix a buttload of that and put it all over her cheeks, no shame. Let's just do a lot because that's what she has. When I saw this look, I completely fell in love with it. I don't know why I haven't done it yet, but Just like a lot of blush. So I'm still waiting for the lashes to kind of settle. I am going to do a crazy lip combo. So I'm going to start with this Sistar Cosmetics liquid lipstick, and it is in the color Rose. So take an orangey, pinky lip color, because like she wears a combo of hot pink, corally. She has like a mix of a mauve, a hot pink, a corally lip. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take Boldly Bare by MAC just to get her pouty lip. I don't know why her look really reminds me of like Lana Del Rey. Okay, and then I'm going to take Rose. Actually, this is called Rosé. I mean, you could leave it like this and it really matches, but I want more of that pink in it. Yeah, so I'm going to mix a little bit of this right here called Confident. It's just a hot pink lipstick by Quibest Beauty. I think this was like sent to me. I don't know what this is, but take like a pinky color like this. I like that more. Like that's the color combo. I'm gonna wait for this to dry, and I'm just going to be using a pink gloss. This is called Pale Rose by Grande Lips. I love these lip glosses. Just use any pink gloss. It doesn't have to be what I'm using. And that is the look. Let me get the wig and we'll be ready to go. So this hat right here does not compare to all the really cool hats she wore in the movie, but I have no idea where to get hats like that. I mean, the thrift shop, but I just haven't seen any cool, like really pink ones. So this would have to do. I hope you guys get the idea at least that I am Elaine. But I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and as always, all my links will be down below, especially if you're interested in this Pinkzio lashes. Link will be down below, and also the lash perming kit. I will have to do that in a vlog, so let me know if you guys want to see that. I'm sure you guys do. It's always fun whenever I try out things on camera. I have so much fun. But I hope you guys like this look. I had a lot of fun creating it, and it's very unique, and I honestly wish that I just would have worn this to work, because now I have to wipe it all off. I have nowhere to go, but I guess I could take pictures. All right, guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye.